Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why one video on channel gets 5 lakh views while the rest barely cross 10,000? That video is called an outlier, a piece of content that performs far better than the channel's average. In this video, I will show you how exactly to use vidIQ to find outlier videos and turn those insights into your own winning content strategy.
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
Now, first things first, start by identifying creators in your niche. So, I'm not taking an example over here of in my niche, but I will just search one of the popular podcasters in India, Raj Chavani. Go to their YouTube channel, right? I have already integrated the vidIQ extension in this browser. So just go to the videos tab. You can click on popular, maybe sort by any way you want, and once you will see this outlier score. So for this you need to have vidIQ installed. You should, if you, I would highly suggest take the vidIQ Pro subscription. The link is in the video description. I have been using vidIQ now for 3 years, and it has helped me understand a lot of things about my channel in my YouTube journey, and they keep on launching new features which keeps on making my work easier, right? So once you have vidIQ extension installed in your browser, you can see this outlier score appearing over here, right? Now, an outlier score up to the range of 0 to 5 is like a normal video. It's not like an outlier video. Above 5 to below 10 is like a good outlier video, but above 10 is like a highly outlier video. See, mentioning that it is outperforming all the videos on the channel, right? So you can see now this, since this number one podcast, you can see the top videos 35x. So this video is purely an outlier and it has 36 million views, right? Vijay Malia 30 million views and still 28.5x is the outlier score. So these are all high outlier score videos. And once you see the outlier video in for any competitor or any channel you look, the next thing is you have to study what made it successful. You have to look at the topic, the thumbnail, the video length, the opening hook, the audience comments, the typical analysis which you have to do to understand if the creator solved a specific problem, covered a trending subject. These things can make a huge difference. You can use the vidIQ's keyword research tool to analyze the video's main keyword. I have already done a video on how you can find the competitor video tags. So once you go over here, so you can see this vidIQ analysis popping up over here. You can check for the keywords which they have used for this video, right? Video tags, channel tags, right? This you can study and then look for patterns on the channel. Now, one of the most common mistakes which creators do is that they try to copy the outlier video exactly. Instead, you have to understand why it succeeded and take inspiration from the strategy and not the exact content. So the process is simple: file competitors, compare recent video performance, identify videos that significantly outperform, and use those insights to create highly original content. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more YouTube growth tips, SEO strategies, and content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. YouTube with Saave.